Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable gestures and bring back the on-screen navigation buttons on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your phone works and looks. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the system option and tap on it. The system section contains important device-level settings that control how you interact with your Pixel, including navigation preferences. Now you'll see an option called Navigation Mode. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can switch between different navigation styles on your Pixel 8 Pro. By default, newer Pixel phones use gesture navigation, but many users prefer the classic 3-button layout for its simplicity and familiarity. Here you'll notice an option labeled 3-button navigation. Tap the radio button next to it to select this navigation style. As soon as you make this selection, your phone will instantly apply the change. You don't need to restart or confirm anything else. And just like that, you'll see the navigation buttons appear at the bottom of your screen. The 3 buttons are Back, Home, and Recents, giving you direct, tactile control over navigation instead of relying on swipe gestures. At the same time, gesture navigation will be disabled, so you won't accidentally trigger actions by swiping from the edges of your screen. That's all there is to it. You've successfully switched from gesture navigation to the traditional 3-button setup on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.